In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We're going to walk through a clean, reliable path to open Squarespace and get to the social links settings from your account dashboard. This approach works well on a desktop browser and keeps everything organized, so you always know where you are in the interface. Start by heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. It's a stable starting point with the full site header visible, which makes the next click simple and consistent no matter what theme or site you're working on. Once the page loads, look to the upper right corner for the profile icon. Give that a click. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be guided through the secure sign-in flow. Follow the on-screen prompts and only enter your details on official Squarespace pages. After the profile menu opens, choose Account Dashboard. This takes you to the central hub for your Squarespace presence, the place where sites, subscriptions, and account controls come together. It's a great habit to use the dashboard as your launchpad because it prevents you from getting lost inside a specific editor view. From the dashboard sidebar, click Website. This routes you into the website area tied to your account. If you manage multiple projects, the interface will show them here. Just make sure you're viewing the one you intend to work with before moving on. The website area is designed to streamline navigation to deeper settings without jumping through unrelated menus. Inside the website view, look for the search field at the top. Click into it. Squarespace's internal search is fast and precise, and it's the quickest way to reach a specific configuration panel without manually drilling down through every category. In the search box, type social links, exactly like that. As you type, you'll see relevant results appear in a small list beneath the field. When you see social links in the results, click it. That opens the dedicated social links panel. From here, you have a single place where all options related to your social profiles are gathered, so you don't have to guess which menu controls what. If you're new to this panel, take a moment to scan the layout and note how Squarespace groups these options together. The interface is designed to be predictable. When you enter from search, you land directly on the setting you asked for, which saves time and helps avoid accidental changes elsewhere. That's the full navigation path. Open Squarespace's Start page, use the profile icon to reach your account dashboard, go to Website, use the built-in search, type Social Links, and select Social Links. Follow these steps anytime you want quick, consistent access to this setting.